friend of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this Blackview. Firstly, go into tab menu. Now look for screen portrait orientation icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, my icon is now blue. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, tap on display and click on the switcher next to screen portrait orientation lock. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!